Hello friends, let's create this spiral wipe text effect and let's get right into it. So as always, I put some footage on my timeline and some text, and then I'm going to the effects library, and in the toolbox in the video transitions I go to the wipe department and I drag the spiral wipe onto my text. Close the effects library, make sure that my spiral wipe is selected and that the inspector is open. If the inspector isn't open, just hit in the upper right corner on inspector and it should be open. And if your spiral wipe is selected, you should see it right here in the inspector. So let's see what happens. We want to have it a little bit longer. I think that gives it the right feel. And what I want is I want the border real thick. Of course, we don't want it that way. So we choose feather, because this is what we do when we use these effects on text. And I think that it's great. But I feel around 130 for me personal, it's the best. So next step is Alt and then drag a copy of the spiral wipe to the end. The first one, again, the ease, I set to out, and the second ease I set to in. As always, I will link a video to why this is somewhere here in the upper corner of this video. So let's have a look at it in full screen. Looks great. I hope you have a ton of fun with that. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Consider subscribing and have fun with the rest of this playlist. Thank you very much for watching.